So what about the improvement from the yesterday, bro? The first improvement is that trust your analysis, bro. Like I knew that price is gonna drop, like not when I'm doing my market daily analysis, but like here, okay, I knew price is gonna drop. Why? Because higher time frame, higher time frame bearish SMT, ES made a higher high, Nasdaq made a lower high, and 4 hour been pushing up for the whole day on Wednesday. Okay, no draw to the downside, just a little retracements, and then 1 minute confluences were. Let me show you. Okay, so now we know that we have a higher time frame bearish SMT. In a 1 minute time frame, price did a breakup structure aligned with the bearish BPR, but this was not enough because we are trading at the 5 minute bullish Ferrari gap. So higher time frame holds higher power. So these 1 minute two best confluences like BPR breakup structure can be just a retracement leg to the downside in a 5 minute. So I wait. Okay. So wait for it, and then price pushed higher and did again bearish SMT. Okay. Never make the higher high bullish SMT except this one, but it got disrespected. So higher time frame bearish SMT worked, lower time frame bearish SMT worked. Prices 5 minute bullish Ferrari gap kind of showed some reaction, but did a bearish SMT again. So after the bearish SMT, price did what? In again 1 minute bearish balanced price range to the upside. That's enough confluences for me to like, okay, 5 minute bullish Ferrari gap is unwilling to hold and likely gonna push lower. So after the news, we have this bearish engulfing candle to the downside. Even if the stop loss above the high, this can be like 1 minute candle entry and 1 minute candle stop loss. And if I let it run, this would have been like um this trade, bro. 1 to 25 risk to reward trade, okay, which is crazy, bro. Okay, and the one improvement that I learned from yesterday was that like when the price is dumping in a very beautiful trending lower, just forget about the catching the retracement, right? But sometimes that can be in case. But in this case, price is already trending lower and unwilling to retrace higher to fill the one, two, three, four silver bullet bearish 5 minute Ferrari gaps, and price just dump lower. So this was the trade that I caught, which is good. But the one flaws that I saw was this one, alright? So low, high, low, high, low, high. I saw the engulfing candle, which is pretty smart because I didn't try to catch the retracement like the bottom and catch the bottom and the high. I didn't, so which was a good trade. And maybe the improvement was like high, low, high, low, high, low, high. Maybe sell somewhere around here, but I prefer to, sell at the selling pressure to the downside. And then the one mistake that I did was like, um, in a trending market, in a 1 minute time frame, made a low and in process to make a high, but in process, I I mistakenly retracement a little bit with like reversal because we've been pushing to the downside for a few like 2 hours, I guess. Yeah, 2 hours. But I saw like 1 minute bullish BPR and 1 minute retracement to the BPR and then reaction off of it. So I was like, it can be a reversal. So I took my position, yeah, pretty much at 1 to 0.6 or 7 was reward. But if I just if I had known the fact that 1 minute BPR and 1 minute breakup structure can be just a 5 minute retracement higher and still continue to go lower, okay? Like 5 minute bullish BPR, like 5 minute bullish inversion gap can be a something to to keep in mind, okay? And if I just let it run into the okay, 4 hour equilibrium is not the high confluence, okay? 4 hour bullish BPR is the highest confluences. So if I let it run, I would have caught like 1 to 3.7 risk to reward trade, which is good, which is really, really good. Okay, which is the greatest. Okay, and the second trade that I could have taken and could have taken advantage of that. Okay, we just abandon this bunch of 5 minute silver bullet bearish Rely gaps, and now we have the recent fresh new 5 minute bearish Rely gap. Prices retraced into it. 5 minute breakup structure. We broke structure to the downside in a 1 minute plus Ferrari gap. Prices retraced to it and then dropped. Okay, so after the 1 minute breakup structure from the 5 minute bearish Ferrari gap, prices retraced to the order block. Prices retraced to the Ferrari gap. Prices retraced to the equilibrium, and before that happens, price already generated a equal low liquidity to you know to the to induce buyer. Wait a minute. Yeah, to induce buyers. Yeah, the retracement back to the 1 minute order block, 1 minute Ferrari gap was it actually did a inversion gap to the upside, but it the 5 minute bearish Ferrari gap was strong enough to hold and let it price run. Okay, so the improvement was like trust your analysis and cut your winners small. I mean, oh, no, 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 no. The improvement was like cut your losers at small and let your winners run, bro. Okay? Let your winners run. Let your winners run. So yeah, these are the improvements. Trust your analysis and trust your, you know, trust your trust your what you see, what you want to do, what the market like you're gonna do. Price is only gonna move to four things, okay? Move to generate liquidity, move to sweep liquidity, move to range equilibrium, move to fill inefficiencies, which is Ferrari gap imbalances, okay? And like when price drops, just just like ride the ocean motion of the ocean, okay? Like don't try to flow against the market, okay? That's where you will get hurt. So don't do that, okay? And price is chopping for a while and swipe out this weekly high, bro. We swap out this weekly high, so it's reasonable to expect to the push higher or just from the weekly sweep. We already swap out this weekly high, and then Thursday can be a reversal, okay? I'm not gonna lie, like I was expecting Tuesday to be the weekly low, but like Thursday and Friday, it's a high impact news. So guess what? In the result, 4 hour just reversed. I mean, Thursday, which is Thursday, just reversed and swept out this weekly lows. I was expecting like this weekly high to get swept, but it never happened. Okay,